Alright, hi guys. This time I'm gonna teach you like how we can have a very detailed plugin in ClipBucket. I'm not gonna create it from the scratch because we already have the source code shared with you. It's open source, so you can read it and see how it works. I'm gonna install this plugin for you, Social Beast. The purpose of the Social Beast is to allow our users to log in via any network. Like Google or Facebook. So this plugin is relatively old. It might not work, but it will give you a very good idea how the plugin system works and how you can actually set up like your own menu here in the admin area, and you can do the stuff with ClipBucket and a complete separate plugin. So here we go. The first thing that I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna install it, and most important thing, I have already shared the links with you from the documentation where you can learn the structure of plugin, but I'm still gonna give you like a very brief overview here. Okay, so all the plugins are here in this plugin folder, and you can create any plugin you want, and you just simply create a new folder and you call it my plugin, right? And I'm sorry, I just searched it, new folder, yeah, my underscore plugin. And the good thing is you can even create a simple file for the plugin. You don't even have to create a folder. So just like this one, I'm gonna copy this code and I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna call it my plugin.php. We're gonna plugin test. All right, so once I do this, you'll see my plugin will plugin. I'm in the right folder. Echo tester. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. I'm sorry. I was searching for my plugin. It's a plugin test. So here it is, and the code will be executed. So it's nothing make. So the structure here is, in the plugin folder you'll create your own folder, and then you will set up your own plugin. But again, we're not gonna go like from the scratch. I'm gonna just show you how this plugin works, so that you can customize, hack it basically, and do your stuff, right? So if you open this Social Beast plugin, you see that we have already defined the PHP static things, so that you can access it from the software, anywhere in the software, even in the plugin. So it's good to define your static variables here, and the structure is like not very ideal, but I think it still works. As long as it's working, I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna install Social Beast. There you go. So what happens when I clicked on install? This script was called install Social Beast. It just simply has this database execution script, right? And that's it. That's it. That's how easy it is. You just call this code, and you see this link came up here, and how it happened. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I'm gonna go to this place functions, and this is like get while. That's the function called here when the social beast is installed. So this is like calling this function will execute this function, which will add this link here. So I'm gonna change it. Okay, social test. So just call it test. I think it will make more sense, right? So there you go. That's it. It's very like simple. And you see this social links, the link, it's calling this link file, right? So I'm gonna click on it, and you'll see it has folder equals this, the file equals to links.php. So we have this menu system where we tell which file to load, like we tell which file, and then we mention the folder. Alternately, we can also do this. So if I refresh, click on it, it will load the same, right? So it's like uh, you can say it's a suffix in the rest of the path, and this is defined right here in the main file. social beast, right? That's it. It's that simple. So it's relative to plugin folder. So this folder is basically this one, social beast. So the folder is social beast, and the file relative to this folder, this file is in admin area and in the links. Okay, so that's how you do it, and you can add more links here, and then you can even link other files dynamically. If you can understand this code, you can actually register your own variables by using the assign and stuff like that, which we have already mentioned how to do it. If you don't know, you can go to the docs and read how we use the assign method. For example, this calling, and look at this. So if this is a file that we're calling from here, social beast, like links, and in the links you see we have called this file template files, and it's like full path to this file, full path. And I'm gonna open this file. So what did we define again? We defined the test, we called it me var. It's very easy, and I'm gonna call it right here this. There you go. That's it. So this is the plugin structure that we have in this is very easy for you to develop any kind of ClipBucket plugins, and I hope you understand how to do it. And I'm gonna show you another like ideas and things that you can do with ClipBucket dynamically, so that you have more grip on the software.